All right, time to put the juicer back together. You've made your first juice, you've taken it to the sink and cleaned it, and now we need to assemble it, put it back together. Now, if you've been using Kuvings juicers or been juicing for a while, it becomes second nature and it's really super simple. But if it's the first time you've made a juice, you can't remember, how do we put the parts back together? Nice and simple. Bowl first, always sits on the base, the spout facing wherever the logo is, the spout facing the logo, easiest way to remember. Then the rotational wipers, they can go in any way, but you'll see there's a bottom and there's a top. Make sure the bottom is down, just like so. Then we want to put in the all-important juice strainer. This one's got a red dot. They need to line up. When they do, you can see they're nice and solid, click into place. Press goes in next, straight down, push it down, click. Make sure it's down far enough so that the lid or the hopper sits on the top. Okay, now in this juicer we've got a hopper, so we're going to pop the hopper on. You might have a feeder juicer where you're popping the lid on, but they're both the same. Make sure you line up, unlocked with the little angle arrow, comes around and shows you it's now locked in place. The top lid goes on next, but we've got the extension here because it's the AUTO10 Plus, and pop it on just like that. Now it seems pretty quick and pretty easy. You've been doing it for obviously a long time, but you'll get used to it. When all the parts push the press and the strainer and everything's snugly in and everything locks in place, then the little magnets which allow the power of the machine to run will be lined up perfectly. If you put it on and turn it on and there's nothing, make sure it's locked in place. Make sure the press is put down. If you're struggling to get the lid on, like, why won't it go on? Come back, push, make sure that press and the strainer is down low enough so that it should be easy, clicks into place. That's how we assemble a Kuvings Cold Press Juicer.